Our next guest was responsible for a number of those ETFs as his company entered the market with some niche products that stand out amongst the crowd. Joining us now is Raj Lalla, CEO of Evolve Funds Group. Raj, good to be with you today. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me. We think that there's some great opportunities. Active where active can make a difference because certain asset classes, I think we could agree that they can benefit from good active management. And then the thematics that encompass long-term trends. So we launched the first cybersecurity ETF in Canada. We launched the first future of the automobile, which is obviously timely with the Consumer Electronics Show last week and the current National Auto Show, or the North American Auto Show. We also launched the first gender diversity ETFs.
This is a really interesting way to take a look at ETFs for sure.
Foyston has managed preferred shares for a long time, but we've actually recently partnered with Evolve Funds. They've launched the Evolve Canadian Active Preferred Share ETF, of which Foyston is doing the investment management on. And that's trading under the ticker on the TSX, DIVS.
With all of this disruption in the auto sector, Evolve Funds is launching Canada's first ETF focusing on innovation in the auto space. Cars is a TSX-listed ETF investment.
Well, we talk a lot about the word innovation. If you're looking to play innovation in the auto sector, there is a new ETF from Evolve, which is focused on the changes that we're seeing in car technology.
What was it about the evolution and the future of cars that made you think we've got to have a vehicle for, pardon the pun, I didn't even mean that, a vehicle for investors to play this?
Yeah, it's always good to talk about this. So really it came from a couple of places. The first, from an investment standpoint, was that this year from May to August, Tesla had a bigger market cap than BMW. And that really said to us that investors were looking to find a way to express their interest in the change in the automobile.
The hottest spaces right now for investors is blockchain, and the ETF industry is looking to get in on that action. Today, Canada's first actively managed blockchain ETF begins trading on the TSX. Launched by Evolve ETFs.
Gender diversity and cybersecurity. It is really, really hard to make a link between these two things unless you consider the exchange-traded fund market. Two separate ETFs that focus on these two separate areas have just come onto the market.
Companies working toward having gender balance in their employee ranks and at the management level are now the focus of a new fund looking at gender diversity as an investment opportunity.
It's a Canadian company called Evolve Funds, and it's launched a ETF with the ticker HERS, H-E-R-S. And this one focuses on companies that have been the most proactive in gender diversity.
Surrounding themes that have long-term investment trends, and really not to be confused with short-term fads, but things that you can see growing over a period of time.